Dive deep into the Whoop MG, hailed as the ultimate sleep tracker for 2025, designed to truly transform your rest and recovery. If you're serious about maximizing your well-being, this revolutionary wearable is a game-changer. Forget bulky smartwatches. The Whoop MG boasts an incredibly slim, screen-free wristband, ensuring distraction-free comfort that lets you genuinely forget it's even there. It delivers an unparalleled sleep performance score daily, backed by incredibly accurate data on restless moments and interruptions, providing true insights into your nocturnal habits. What's truly astonishing are its personalized bedtime recommendations, which can even surprise insomniacs with optimal timings leading to genuinely restful nights. Plus, ditch your phone's alarm. The Whoop MG features a gentle vibrating alarm, perfect for a peaceful wake-up and accessible for everyone, including those with hearing loss. You won't believe its ingenious charging design. A slide-on charger means you can wear it while powering up, ensuring zero missed data points. With an incredible 14-day battery life, the Whoop MG consistently tracks your sleep and recovery without constant charging worries. Ready to upgrade your sleep and overall well-being? Find exclusive deals and the lowest prices for the Whoop MG 2025 via the links in the description below. This isn't just a gadget. It's your personal sleep coach, making it the best sleep tracker for peak performance and recovery in 2025.